What's up, guys? Welcome back to the frozen kitchen. Today's gonna be really fun time in the kitchen, but today on the ice was like not super fun. We did manage to scrape out a few eaters though. We got a nice little pile of crappies, so I'm gonna make something cool with that. But first, before I get into everything, I just wanna talk about one thing real quick. If you wanna make any recipes just like this one, get a copy of the Frozen Kitchen. This is an awesome book. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you grab one. It's got tons of recipes from the last couple seasons of fishing, and you can make all kinds of awesome food. So scoop a copy of this, available at Thorne Brothers and on Amazon. You should be able to scoop one up pretty easily, but get them while they're here. All right, today we're making crappie bacon ranch smash burgers. These are gonna be super delicious. I'm gonna show you how to get into it right now. Let's do this thing. All right, first things first with the crappie bacon ranch is getting the bacon going. So I got a bunch of bacon laid out on this sheet tray right here. I'm just gonna throw it in the oven 400 for about 15 minutes. We're gonna get it all nice and golden brown. While we're making everything else up, we'll have some nice crispy bacon to go on top of these smash burgers right here. So gonna throw this in there. We'll get right back to the fish. All right, so I got a bowl of fillets here. I probably won't use this whole thing. We're gonna use about a pound of meat to accomplish this, but what I'm gonna do is just take some of these and chunk them up, and then we're gonna throw them in a food processor like we've done a bajillion times before. We talked about this. This is the best way to make your crappies go the farthest, is to throw them in a food processor or meat grinder or something and just break them down, and you can make them into a ton more things. So I'm just gonna chunk these up so they grind up a little quicker in there. Like I said, I'm gonna do about a pound and a half. We're just cooking for a couple guys tonight, so it's no big deal. Get these made up. Okay, we got our fish all minced up here in the food processor, so I'm just gonna add a couple of things in here, and this is what we're gonna make our smash burger patties out of. A lot of fish burgers would be like fish cakes. We've done fish cakes. We're doing fish smash burgers, so this is different. But I'm just gonna season these super simple. We got salt and pepper. I'm still gonna use some of that smoked salt. I really like that stuff. It's good in pretty much everything. So smoked salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then some onion powder are gonna be kind of the go-to here. And then because it's fish, it does not have much fat in it at all. So in this patty, I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo and just a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna use a couple tablespoons of oil in here. Got a brand spanking new one here. All right. A little bit of oil and some mayo. So the one thing that I'm gonna add into this that's a little, I guess, different is, other than that seasoning, I got one of these ranch seasoning packets, which makes this really go over the top. So I'm gonna add, we'll see, I'll start with like half of it and we'll see how she looks here. But depending on how much fish you're adding, you might want to go not too crazy with it. But I'm gonna do half a packet of that in here. We'll mix it up, and I think we'll be looking pretty dang good. So you just don't want it to get too wet. You can't patty it when it's wet. All right, and the only other thing I'm gonna add, I got a little bit of this flat leaf parsley here. Not the curly stuff, that's absolute trash. So we're using flat leaf parsley. I'm just gonna chop a little bit up and add it into the patty. It's kind of a nice little addition. It doesn't add a ton of flavor, but it's a little bit of brightness, and it'll give it some color too, because fish patties aren't horribly exciting looking. I'm not gonna kid you on that one. So add a little bit of that in there, give it a little color, a little brightness. Perfect. All right, so I got the fish mixture here. I got a pan heating up behind me. We just pulled the bacon out. That's cooling down. What I'm gonna do is take this fish and just put it into, like, I don't know, I'll say maybe quarter pound-ish little balls here. And then what we're gonna do is make them into smash burger patties in the pan behind me. So just gonna do, each one's gonna be 2 burgers stacked on top of each other. So 2 about equal size ones. Perfect. And then we'll smash them, melt a little cheese on top of it, and then build them up. So I got some other stuff I'm going to cut up to add on to them, some tomato and lettuce and stuff, but super easy. We're going to get these smashed up. Let's do it. All right, we got the cooking all done. Now we just got to build this thing. So I just toasted the bun up here, and this one goes together pretty quick. I got some ranch. I'm gonna just dump that down on the bun here. Spread that out good. Give us a nice base there. And then I got some iceberg lettuce. This is very not that good a lettuce, but it's really crunchy. So that's what I want it for, is just that nice crunch. But you can use a lot of different stuff here. Cabbage would even be really good on this. And then I got one big slab of tomato going down on top of that. And then let's see, I got both these patties. I'm gonna double stack these things up. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Some of that thick cut bacon right here. 2 slabs of that on top of this. A little more ranch on the lid. And then I do have a little bit of avocado I sliced up right on top of that. So this bad boy right here is ready to rip. And it's hard to beat that right there. That is a big boy. Ready for prime time right there. We're gonna crush a bunch of these. I got a bunch of kettle chips too to go with these, but yeah. Crappie, bacon, ranch. I don't know what else to tell you right there. Make it, eat it. You're gonna want more. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make up a bunch more of these. We're gonna be fishing tomorrow somewhere. I think we're swinging for some bigs again. If we strike out, you'll probably see that anyway. So we're gonna get after it. It's been a late night. We did a lot of fishing today and got our butts kind of kicked, but it was still fun. We caught enough fish to make these awesome burgers, so hard to complain about that. So let's go fishing again.